This is Alex from Accessories International, and today we are covering our most comprehensive fat tire kit upgrade. This is a fat tire kit for the Harley V-Rod models from 2002 up to 2017. You can find this fat tire kit at motorcycletire.com. This is a Harley V-Rod fat tire kit for V-Rod models from 2002 up to 2017. Now for the purpose of this video, we're going to be covering everything that's needed for the 360 kit, as that's the most comprehensive kit. It's going to require the most components. Again, if you decide to go with a smaller version of this kit, it's going to be the same stuff, just with a few less items, for example, the exhaust and some other components that we're going to be covering throughout the video. Now, before we dive into it and go through each component one by one, I advise that you head over to our website, motorcycletire.com, where we have this listed. We have the link in the description of this video, and we'll also put a pop-up on the screen so that you can open it up and follow along with each drop-down menu that we're going to be covering. Now, it's important to note that every piece in this kit is going to be required in order to make this 360 kit compatible on your bike. However, you can individually choose each piece that you order from us. So if you do plan on sourcing one of your own components, you have the option of leaving out that specific piece of our kit so that you can use your own. So starting off with what is in front of us on this table, we have 10 separate pieces that are going to make up this entire kit. So starting off with the first component, it's the star of the show. Of course, it's the rear wheel. Now this rear wheel is 18 by 13 inches and it's made to fit a 360 millimeter tire. The wheel is really what gives your kit that show-stopping sort of Batman-esque sort of feel to it. It's going to catch attention. It's just part of what the wheel kit is. It's a high-quality billet aluminum wheel that's made in the United States from RC Components. We currently have 28 different wheel styles for you to choose from in this 360 size, and I'm going to go ahead and put a graphic up so you can see the available styles for you to choose from. And the last part of this rear wheel that you are going to need are the brake rotors that are going to be offered in either a one-piece polished generic look, as we have here, or a two-piece custom cut style with your choice of color to match up your wheel for a more custom look. So depending on the wheel style that you choose, if you do end up going with those two-piece custom rotors, we're actually going to cut out the same exact style that you chose for your wheel to really match up the style and give you that custom feel to it. So that is 4 separate pieces that we have just covered for the rear wheel. We're talking about the wheel itself, the tire that comes mounted on it, the bearings that come included, and now the rotors. Now moving on to our next component, we also offer an optional matching front wheel to complete your look. Now what we have down here is a 19 by 3 inch wheel. That's going to be your standard stock size, but if you do want to upgrade to the 21 by 3.5 inch, that will also fit your V-Rod with no modifications necessary to your front end. Now this rear wheel is nothing without the foundation of our kit, which is this NLC CNC machine swing arm. The swing arm is made in Germany from a single block of high-strength aluminum, and it features a direct bolt-on fit to your V-Rod, so it's going to require no frame modifications and be real simple to put on. With this swing arm, we have 3 different styles for you to choose from, as well as the color options. Those styles are going to range from our milled style, cutout style, and our smooth style. Again, all in the color of your choice. If you want to match it up with the rear wheel, or if you want to do something different, you have the option there. Now the next piece that you'll also need in this kit is our pulley. Now here we have an RC Components pulley, which is actually cut with a matching design to your wheel, and as well as the custom 2-piece rotor. So if you do want that real custom look that's going to give you a premium feel to your kit, the RC Components pulley is a perfect match. This is made in the United States alongside the wheel and that 2-piece custom rotor, and again, it's going to give you that extra custom look. Now, in order to get that pulley to align and be compatible with that new wider rear end on your V-Rod, we're going to need our NLC Swingarm offset pulley kit. So this is going to give you a perfect alignment between the front and rear pulleys, making sure that you maintain seamless power delivery. Now moving on to the next component, we have our German engineered rear fender and seat pan kit, which is going to be tailored to both this rear tire kit and the specific year of your V-Rod. So we have 7 different styles of fender kits for you to choose from, depending on both your own style and the year of your bike as well. Now keep in mind that this fender kit does not include a full seat in it. It's just going to be the seat pan, so you will have to customize your own foam and upholstery to your liking, or if you're local to us and you want us to do it for you, we can also have that done upon request. And moving on to our 10th and final component of this V-Rod fat tire kit, we have our exhaust. So you are gonna have to swap your exhaust on this 360 kit for a shorter pipe to allow clearance between the new wide rear end. We offer the NLC low exit exhaust system, which is gonna give you a perfect match to your new kit. It's gonna give you the clearance that you need in order to fit all of these components seamlessly together. And it comes in a stainless steel construction and is available in both a matte black or polished finish. It's going to give your bike a beautiful, new, deep, aggressive sound to match up the style of this rear wheel kit, and overall it's going to give you a real quality system to go with a new kit. Guys, that is all 10 items of this fat tire kit that we just covered. Now we advise you, call us if you have questions. These are not simple kits, and if you do decide to source some of your own components and not go with the entire kit directly from us, make sure that whoever you're working with is doing their homework on these, because they are not simple kits. There are a lot of components involved, and you need to know what you're talking about in order to make it all work correctly. If you have questions for us, you want to talk to us directly and help us build out your kit, call us at 786-242-5400. My name is Alex at Accessories International out of Miami, Florida. We've been doing this since 1998. And again, questions, call us. We'd love to put this kit together for you and help walk you through customizing it. Thank you again for tuning in. If you found any value out of this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.